Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the limited edition BTS Lightstick. I ordered mine from Leonox. Hold on. I ordered mine from Leonox, and yeah, it took like about a month for mine to come. Yeah, so let's get started. I was initially worried that I wasn't gonna get this and that it wasn't gonna be real, but it has the little decal on the end. Ooh. So it comes with a booklet. There we go. To the booklet. Oh my gosh. How come I only have... Oh. But I only have 6 photo cards though. All 7 photo cards. Numbers. Set that aside for later. So, 63 AAA batteries. These are just random ones I found. Around. So I'm gonna set it up on the app now. BTS official Lightstick. So oh my god! Sweet. It's not coming up, but it's pink right now. Yeah, this is basically the Lightstick. Down is Bluetooth, up is the regular light, and then in the middle is off, and this button up here is what changes the flickers. Sweet. That's my little twin. Time to put this strap on. Because I've been. Bye guys.